bạn bánh trộn thọt đấy này thọt đấy rồi ạ chỉnh mạo bạn ngọt hình xong chết đập lôi mít túi chả phải rồi má cổ cùi chết hợp bụng thế này má chết mà chết này.
Unfortunately, this is the closet I could find to show everyone of this dish, but this is fairly accurate from what I understand. Baby cow soup is the soup do not find in the restaurant from this dish and hails from the remote area of Cambodia. The reason why they eat them contrary to some popular belief. The appetizers dish are newly baby cow, still no hair and barely able to open their eyes. It is typically served with black pepper and soy sauce. Typically, it's very new babies stay inside their mother and thus the bone structure is still fairly loose. I've heard that these have been cooked with garlic and pepper.
Thank you for your value time watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest video. Thank you.